grade ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಪನಾ has gone to we always call it as narcissist formally use Kalpana. She is an actor, ruled actress. So that's what I played my acting with Rajkumar, the renowned. So that's what Kalpana has gone to we call it as narcissist. So that's what she never used to. When you read about the history in the sandalwood, so we are finding all the things here. After acting ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ mingle ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. So that's what the actress. So Rajkumar ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೈಕೂನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. So that's what So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಜೊತೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. So that's what ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So that's what industry finally commits suicide. So that's what. See, 45 ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಈಗ ಮಗನ ಸಾವು. So that's what recently that what we noticed here due to types of loans here. See here ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅನುತ್ತೀರ್ಣವಾಗುವ ಭಯ PUC ಫಲಿತಾಂಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವೇ ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಮೊದಲು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ. Crisis we call it as a crisis of anticipated life transitions we call it as crisis of anticipated life transitions. ನಾವು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ the best answer is suicide. That's what. See, always remember. See, this is due to fear of results here. So that's what PUC 79% ಅಂಕ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು ಎಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ. 79% ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಪಾಪ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So that's what that's what too much of expectation. So that's what too much of expectation is also problematic. So that's what this is all about. We call it as the statistics as per the recent information. This is what the statistics of the suicide. Will go almost